Good morning, you guys. It's Lotus Beauty Life coming back at you. Today is October the 2nd, which is officially my birthday. So I wanted to come and just open this little gift with you. I've been super excited and anxious to open it, but of course I wanted to wait to share this item with you and just immerse myself in all of this birthday, behavior. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna ramble on. This particular item was a gift from my sister. I was able to get it a little early, but I wanted to hold out with actually using it or opening it or doing anything with it until my actual birthday, which is today. Yes. So let's go and dig in. As you can see, it comes with the camellia on the front of the bag. My essay put in the wiping cloth for wiping it down and cleaning it. And then you have the receipt here. I have her actual, if anybody's interested in the Tyson's Galleria area in the McLean or in Virginia. You can use her. She works at the Chanel boutique there in the Galleria. And then I'll just set this over here on the side. Box. So here it is. Right here. Oh, I got a little shaking here. I'm gonna take this off. Place it there. Can you guys guess what this possibly could be? I know this box is a little on the small side, but what's in it is great. I even got it all backwards here, but it's okay. All right, let's open this up. Yes, and then you have the actual stamp here, the labeling here, and the paper here. It's just so glorious and beautiful. Let's open that here. Ooh, glue down tape. I don't want to tear the paper here. And we have this little care booklet just to tell you this, how to take care of the actual purchase. So I'm going to just slip that over here on the side. And then we have the dust bag, which is made of this lovely, like, velvet. I wish you guys can touch it, but you see it has Chanel written there. And I don't know if you guys can start to see, but here we are. This beautiful, lovely wallet on the chain in the caviar leather. Yes, with silver hardware, as you can see. And she is truly a beauty. I'm filming in the hallway so you guys can get a little bit of sunlight here, so you can actually see the caviar leather that's on it. And you can see just how shiny this is. It is so beautiful. And the quotes are so puffy. And let's open her up. You see the inside of here. It has the snap closure with a zipper at the top. And the Chanel logo is in silver as well, with the silver hardware. And the inside is very beautiful. It's a nice maroon beige, maroon color. What I'm saying, beige. And then this one was made in Italy. And then when you open here, if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is where she put the actual care card, and she did. And that's what we have here. And it's another pocket here. Yes, I am so excited to have this piece. This is something that I've been wanting, and it's really hard nowadays to get some of the Caviar leather pieces. So I am super grateful to be able to have and been able to get this piece. I am so happy, and I just can't express enough how happy I am. If you guys want a full review on this and what my thoughts are, just drop a comment below. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I'm going to come back with you guys and do a birthday haul, just going over all of the little items that I received or I treated myself for during this birthday behavior of 2020. I hope all of you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, stay beautiful, lovelies. And until next time, I see ya.